It's game director and alleged psychopath David Jaffe. I'm here to tell you about the epic return of gaming's most sick, depraved franchise. It's Twisted Metal on PlayStation 3, and it's back. So why am I standing in the middle of a desert? Because I'm about to start blowing up. And by I mean Sweet Sue's ice cream truck and a whole lot of other too. So here's the deal. I got this gun, I got a ton of bullets, and I'm gonna shoot that till it's gone. But I can't do it alone. And that's where you come in. Starting February 14th, for 2 days, I'm gonna let you fire this fully automatic weapon at that truck remotely from your computer. And all you gotta do is hit a button. You wanna take a shot? You know you do.